could not say spank of water like that in another video because the phone storage was full. But anyways, welcome back to another video. And here now I'm gonna put adhesive in the phone. Let's do that. Should I test the battery first? I think I should test the battery first, actually. Put it on the screen. Be lightly with these cables because they need to be aligned perfectly on so you don't break it. So please be careful. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, it works. You see the green, yo? That means it's a fake screen, so watch out, guys. Please watch out. Okay, so phone started. Let's see. The battery. It's gonna think it's a fake battery. To solve this problem, you need to weld and replace the motherboard of the phone right here. That just experts do, so don't try it yourself. Yeah, fake battery. But at least we know it's working. Now, let's put adhesive. Don't remove the screen directly because you can damage the board and the screen. Take out the battery. Lift it up. Maybe just sure. Don't do dumb mistakes. Well, here were the dumbest mistakes. How could this happen? It's like it happened just there. So I don't know what to do here. I'm stuck here. This never happened to me before. Well, actually, I was too slow when taking out this plastic. Then it bent over and put it on the tape again. Oh, I see what mistake I did. I take out the wrong side of the adhesive. Line up the adhesive. Well, now I'm stuck here doing dumb things. The dumb phone. Come on. This has never happened before. I'm totally shocked to this happening. Well, I think I had to say thanks for watching video number 2. And please subscribe and like, and I'll try to fix this in the next video. Well, this is a fail. My first fail in many times, many years. Well, see you in part 3.